Right now, there are many issues which are limiting the advancement towards a more sustainable world, and government inaction is one of the main causes. There are two types of governance. Reactive governance means acting to address an issue or resolve a problem before it becomes a crisis. And proactive governance means acting to avoid ever having problems in the first place. Governments need to have the support of the people in order to make decisions, but they are stopped by disinformation and misinformation. Many people are uninterested in changing because they are given false information or don't pay attention to what's happening around the world. And if misinformation and disinformation becomes even more of an internet norm as it is today, then it will be even harder for the public to be sensible and even harder for the government to solve any crises swiftly. So, how urgently do we need to act? We need to act now to solve these issues, as CESI, a European Center of Studies, explains that the spread of fake news in the financial, political, and healthcare fields, the worldwide economic costs resulting from this proliferation is about $78 billion. The damage is not only economic, the real loss is the feeling of general disorientation caused by a constant flow of disinformation. Also, according to Bill McGuire, a professor at the University College London, the global average temperature rise is expected to climb permanently above 1.5 degrees Celsius by between 2026 and 2042, with a central estimate of 2032, while business as usual will see the 2-degree breached by 2050 or very soon after. This issue is one shared by many youth, including the founder himself. When he was in elementary school, he watched two documentaries, both narrated by David Attenborough, that forever changed him. One was Planet Earth, which taught him the wonders of nature, and the second was Perfect Planet, which showed that life on Earth, although still wonderful, was deteriorating. Upon research and reflection, he found out how long climate change had been prevalent and how little the world on average was doing to solve the crisis. Understanding that his peers may not have been as well versed in global politics and issues, he decided to continue researching and learning, hoping that one day he could share information. As the years went by, he learned about many unique topics ranging from global affairs and crises to national issues and opportunities, which led him to a realization. To create change from a systemic perspective, a holistic platform needs to be developed that can provide a means of spotting and stopping disinformation. To make this platform a success, it should meet a few key criteria. 1. Friendly for all required stakeholders to contribute. 2. Easy to align respective incentives. And 3. Be easily accessible for people to watch and learn from. World Economic Change, in short, We Change, was established for this purpose. And through our change framework, which consists of C, captivate, attract youth to the possibility that they can make a change now in tackling government inaction and incompetence. H, habituate, empower youth to exercise their right on a day-to-day basis in taking steps with the intention to affect change. A, accelerate, build networks of communities as a pathway to increase engagement rate and to encourage societal action on global issues. N, necessitate, facilitate people to work with others to create groups of changemakers, pressuring governments to take actions. G, generate, find solutions to improving decision-making and disinformation reduction by working with people around the world. And E, encapsulate, select the most promising solutions that shed light to current issues and scale their impact from local to global basis. The organization aims to design, initiate, and execute various initiatives to drive collective action towards reducing government inaction. Now, change requires both direction and commitment, and We Change aims to assume the leadership and stewardship to empower this transformation. We Change aims to continue expanding its impact through growing its network of partners, supporters, and advocates to educate and empower more youth to lead the transition they wish to see in their local economies. We seek to engage 500 youth from 25 plus countries and localize 10 plus solutions over the next 3 years. To drive collective action, we welcome your participation and engagement in ensuring and increasing prosperity.